G'day, I'm Meeny, and I've got some awesome building hacks for you today. I'll be showing you how to build a mini fruit model of a strawberry. To get started, we're going to take one of the 2x4s and we're going to add 2 of the 1x2s into the bottom. On the next layer, we'll take a 2x3 and we're going to offset it on the side so we're starting to get a bit of a slope in the bricks. We're going to take some of these black ones to act as our seeds and then add some 1x2s on the other side. So we're starting to build in an inverted triangle shape. We'll take 2 of the 2x4 bricks and attach them on top as well, continuing that triangle. And for the next layer, we'll grab another one of these 2x3s and offset. It's time to add some more seeds in. We're starting to flatten off the sides, and for our final layer of red, we're just going to go a little bit in from the edge. To cap off our strawberry, we will take our green 2x4 and then our finishing touch being a little plant stalk on top. And there we have our building block strawberry. With all of the extra blocks included in the accent building block tin, you can have a go at creating all types of other fruits. Grab your free building blocks when you buy 8 litres or more of accent paint. Show us what you can build and you could win. Visit the website for more details, plus masterclass videos and more handy building hacks with me. It's time to get building.